UK versus US boardroom tone, hedge versus direct. English for work. Welcome! Today we're decoding UK versus US communication tone so your emails, slides, and meetings land smoothly. In general, the UK skews indirect. You'll hear more softeners and questions to keep things collaborative. The US skews direct. People value clear asks, explicit ownership, and quick decisions. Hedging uses softeners like maybe or might to show openness or uncertainty. Directness means stating a clear stance, a decision, and the next step. Your goal isn't to imitate an accent. It's to calibrate to market expectations so you sound confident, respectful, and effective with your audience. What are hedges? They reduce the force of a statement and signal openness to other views. In the UK, common hedges include perhaps, a bit, and not sure. They keep the door open for discussion. For US listeners, lighter hedges like likely, early read, or for now feel more confident while still honest. Use hedges to reflect uncertainty, early-stage thinking, or to invite input. Beware over-hedging. It creates ambiguity, slows decisions, and can make you sound unsure. Aim for balance. Be transparent about risks, but clear about your recommendation. In UK meetings, signaling politeness and consensus building helps progress. Use tentative language to show flexibility, but anchor with data so your point remains strong. For example, perhaps we could pilot this approach. The last 3 tests show a 7% uplift. Prefer questions over commands to invite collaboration. Would it make sense to trial this next sprint? When offering critique, sandwich it with positives, strong insight on segments. One concern is attribution lag. We could address it with a staged rollout. You sound respectful, evidence-led, and still move the room forward. In US settings, lead with a clear recommendation, then provide support. Start with, "We recommend launching tiered pricing next month." Follow with data and risks. Use decisive verbs like recommend, will, target, own, and deliver. Keep hedges mainly in the risk section. Key risk, adoption lag, mitigation, customer enablement week 1. Convert vague questions into clear asks. Please confirm pricing owners by Friday, instead of, could someone take this? You'll sound confident, accountable, and action-oriented, exactly what US stakeholders expect. Same facts, 2 tones. UK version, soften, invite input, and note caveats. Perhaps we could proceed with a limited rollout. There may be regional differences to watch. Thoughts? US version, lead with the decision, name owners, and timeline. We will launch a limited rollout. Marketing owns comms. Ops handles enablement. Go live, the 15th of October. Swap phrases when true. Could right pointing arrow. Will, might right pointing arrow, plan to. Keep the numbers constant. Change the framing. UK emphasizes discussion and prudence. US emphasizes action and accountability. Watch for misreads. UK risk, sounding unsure. Repair, by adding a firm bottom line. Bottom line, we recommend option B. We'll validate assumptions in parallel. US risk, sounding blunt. Add a brief rationale or empathy. We're recommending a pause to protect margin and avoid rework. If you sense confusion, reframe. To be clear, we recommend a phased rollout. Phase 1 by the 15th of October. Mirror their tone and pace in real time. Match their directness. Slow down or speed up. And echo key terms they use to build alignment quickly. Tune your writing. Subject lines. UK favors neutral. Q3 forecast update. US prefers action-led. Approve Q3 forecast by Friday. Bullets. UK highlights nuance and context. US leads with outcomes, then details. Calls to action. UK might say, "Could we confirm owners?" while US uses, "Please confirm by Friday." Keep verbs globally clear. Use, approve, decide, launch, review. Not idioms that may confuse. On slides, put the headline takeaway on top, supporting data below. Your message should be scannable and decision-ready. Before you hit send or speak, 1. Audience market. UK versus US expectations. 2. Decision maturity. Early stage equals more hedges. Late stage equals fewer, firmer verbs. 3. Open versus close. Soften opens to invite input. Clarify closes with a clear ask or decision. 4. Craft a one-liner. Your recommendation in 10 words. Example. Recommend phased rollout. Ops leads. Launch the 15th of October. Risks mitigated. If this line is sharp and honest, the rest of your message will align.